friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to share some of my current most used makeup products. I know it's a little different than what you are used to here, but I did want to kind of switch things around, share what I have been loving recently, or perhaps for years now. It feels like for a while I have done this type of makeup, and I feel like it is what truly I think works for me. So I wanted to share that with you all today. If you are new here, my name is Nadia, and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products and devices. If you love that as well, feel free to click that subscribe button. I upload every Sunday. So I will start with the Benefit the Professional Foundation. This has been my foundation of choice since it launched, really. I started off with the shade 19N Triumph, and I have been very well at keeping away from the sun and also applying sunscreen on the daily that I had to go down a shade. So I picked up the shade 15N Incredible during the Benefit Friends and Family sale. But I feel like we are gearing into summer, so I feel like I may bounce back between these two or mix them. But my favorite shades, or my shades, are 19N and 15N, so on the neutral side. My favorite method of application is with my hands. However, because I am filming at 10 p.m., I don't have sunscreen, so it's harder for the foundation to glide on my skin with the fingers without any sunscreen. So that's why I used it with a brush. However, favorite method of application is my fingers. That's what I use daily. I have used this spring, summer, winter, fall, no issues. I do work in front of a steamer, sometimes all day, sometimes, appointments vary. They're not all facials. And this wears beautifully throughout the day. No pilling, no flaking, no matter what I wear underneath it. And I have tested a number of products here. I've had no issues with this foundation. It does, however, include niacinamide, so if your skin is not fond of a niacinamide, then, stay away. This is a smoothing and blurring foundation, which I feel like it truly does that. As far as coverage, it is medium buildable, so I can get away with layering this if I am dealing with some post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. I do also love the packaging. I think it's super cute. It is glass, and it is a pump. Mine is kind of gross. I don't feel like I ever use a full pump here. I do also love the versatility of this. Sometimes I will mix it in with some of the Drunk Elephant drops, be it Be Goldy or D Bronzy, for even more of a glow, or perhaps to deepen the shade. So I do love that about this foundation. So today it does have a bit of a matte finish on my skin, but typically when I wear it, of course, with a sunscreen, I do get more of a luminous, more of a dewy finish to this skin. So this has been my go-to. Let me know if you've used this in the comments down below. This is a recent fave, but literally I cannot stop using this. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Juice Stick in SHELLY. This is a dewy gel blush, and I tried swatching it, but it just doesn't work on my hand here. It is the blush that I am wearing today, and this is what it looks like. This is like my favorite shade. I feel like I could definitely suffer from blush blindness with these Benefit blushes. I'll put a little bit more on. And because I am wearing foundation, I do just apply it to a brush first, and then I put it on over the skin. I have worn this to the gym. I wanted to put it to the test. I will link that reel for you up above. and it performed well. This is perfect for those warmer temperatures. This does have a cooling, soothing effect, which I'm feeling right now. It is also waterproof and sweat proof. I did wear it for, leg day and a run, still on my skin. And I just adore a peachy blush on my skin personally. It does have a little bit of a sheen as well, as you can see, but I am obsessed. This and the other shades are absolutely adorable. Let me know if you would like a blush only video, my top 5, top 3 maybe. I feel like I have been blush obsessed, but this is one that I just cannot put down. Feel like it lasts all day too. Next, I have a favorite that I've had forever, and that is the Benefit Hula Wave in the original shade. This is my second unit. I use this every day, and I use it with the dedicated brush. If you've watched any of my videos recently, this is what I'm wearing. I wear this every day in the exact same way that you can see in today's demo. Absolutely love this formula, and I do love that the original shade works on my skin tone, whether I am wearing the shade 15N or 19N of the Benefit foundation. This does not have like any shimmer on it. It's definitely more of a matte, and I love this product's versatility. You can wear it anywhere you want to add dimension. I definitely apply it around the forehead because I like doing that, and when I'm rushing out in the morning, definitely do just like to use this as eyeshadow. Obsessed. And I do love that it's a cream. Girl in her 40s, she needs to start transitioning to those creams, those liquids. And I do, of course, set it with the Hula Matte Powder. This is the Hula Wave Bronzer. Hula bronzer, and this is matte, and this is the second unit I have used of this as well. You can see I have hit pan. Absolutely adore this. I feel like using both of these really makes the product last all day long. Obsessed with those. I feel like now I know why people love it so much. Highlighter that I have been clearly obsessed with is this one. I ordered a new one during the Benefit Friends and Family sale. This is the shade Luna. This is light medium. This has been my go-to highlighter for like a year, clearly. I just love this shade. Recently, I have just been putting my highlighter here and then just kind of bringing it all the way up to here as well. I'm like, I want to be a disco ball, and then I will do the Cupid's bow. I feel like this shade, again, works well whether I'm using 15N or 19N of the foundation. Love this beautiful shade. I would swatch it for you, but I'm not sure if I can. This is a very fine powder. Oh yeah, I can swatch it. Very fine powder. Beautiful. Does not break me out. It's a lovely, lovely formula. Since I've been doing like an actual brow lamy, I have been loving the L'Oreal Paris brow lamination up to 24 hour. I love this. I have not been using a brow pencil since I've been doing the brow lammies, and this, obsessed. I love the price point. If you are a member at CVS, you can get a coupon and get it even cheaper. I love the brush here. It is so small, so fine. Formula really makes the brows nice and flat. I love this. No flaking, no fluff. Really amazing product by L'Oreal. I do think that they test on animals, however, so that kind of breaks my heart. If I don't use that, I will use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit, and I do know that Benefit does not test on animals, so this has more of a unique brush here. It is flat, and then you have two sides with bristles. Perfect for those who still do brow lamies. Lashes, I go between, see, another L'Oreal product. I wish Benefit made a lash primer. They do make mascaras, so I'm like, why don't y'all do a lash primer? I have been going between this and the other L'Oreal lash primer. I love a lash primer. I do also do lash lifts. I am kind of like at the end of it, so my brows or my lashes aren't really like curled. But this, I do like how much volume it adds to my lashes and how it kind of thickens the mascara. My current mascara of choice has been the Benefit Roller Lash. This is my second unit that I have used. This is not my favorite bristle of a mascara wand, but hey, it works. Adore this formula. It lengthens, it separates without flaking. Recently, I have just been doing mascara on the top lash and not on the bottom. I'm not sure why. I've just been doing that and I love it. Other Benefit mascaras that I love are FanFest, of course. Yeah, FanFest, another favorite. This is definitely my favorite. This formula is a little dry, but this is definitely my favorite type of mascara wand here. Lips, ColourPop lip oils have been my jam. The So Juicy range, I have used So Sassy. I have emptied a full unit of that, and the shade So Sassy. I'll list my favorite shades here, but So Sassy has been my go-to, clearly, recently. It is about halfway through being used. I have been layering it over the ColourPop Lippy Pencil and BFF2. So that is the combo that I am wearing today. If I am not wearing it with the Lippy Pencil, you bet I am wearing it on its own. Let me know if you would like a video on my favorite lip products as well. I can do that. Let me know in the comments down below. I love this formula. It truly just makes your lips look so juicy. It does have a bit of a cooling effect, and it's not heavy or sticky at all. Adore this, and I think it's about 10 bucks. And so I think these might be $7 as well. Final product, of course, is the Benefit The Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Obsessed with this. I have been using it for years. I have emptied a number of these since I saw the Alana Davis, I always say this, the Alana Davis, one of her makeup videos. I saw her use this and she looked flawless, so I added to cart. But now luckily Benefit sends me PR, so now I just get it. So yep. I do also love the mist here. Incredible, so fine, does not alter the appearance of my makeup at all. It just makes it last for a long time while making me look poreless. So I am running out of juice here. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and be sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you learned something new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.